guys. We're like a month away from Japan Auto Legends, but you know, we got to do our little vloggy thing. We got Kelvin.
Hey.
We got Daniel.
Woo.
I need to flip the camera. What's been going on, Daniel? What you been working on, buddy?
We've been working, man. I've been working on this for, feels like 2 years, but it's only been like 2 weeks, but getting her back together, almost done. Struggling getting all these intake pipes in. This thing's very difficult to work on. No wiggle room anywhere.
He said he loves doing this, so if y'all have 300s that need the engines pulled and put back in, hit him up.
Send them to me. I got it.
Send it to Daniel. Kelvin, what you doing, buddy?
I am helping him clean up the calipers, and we're going to paint them black and everything.
That was so soft. I
thought we
like
painted
it.
them red.
I got some rough man hands. What are you talking about?
Are they black or red?
Hold on. This is a can of paint that has black and red on it. Let's see.
Maybe it's red mixed with a little black.
That is red, my
That
dude.
is red.
Well, that would make sense.
Ta-da.
It would make sense for it to be red.
Yeah.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Yeah, I don't know. I just got done pulling with that black Y33, so now I got to pull in, guess what, an Aristo, because it's not running right.
Those are the best.
So I got to take out the ECU, and hopefully that's it. Why it's not running right.
An Aristo with ECU problems?
I know, right? Hard to believe.
Wow.
So that's my day right there.
Oh, yeah, that's your week. What are you doing?
I am building a rocket ship, but it looks like I'm detailing a car. That's what I'm doing.
You're doing a great job.
Don't be.
Said Japan Auto Legends is like a month away, so we've been prepping for that. Dan!
Hi.
Dan has been a busy little beaver.
Beaver is right. All right, so let's talk about Japan Auto Legends, people. You're coming. All right, listen, Japan Auto Legends. Sorry if I don't smile, because like the corner of my mouth is super cracked and it really hurts to smile. And it's winter, so it sucks. But you know it's not winter, March 11th. Japan Auto Legends. You like that segue?
That was a good segue.
That was a good segue.
I like that.
But March 11th, come out. Registration is open. There'll be a link in the description, or you can just go to japanautolegends.com, check out the site there, click the link to go to the Eventbrite and register your car. It's a judged car show. We have over $10,000 worth of prizes that we're giving away to winners. There's 25 finalists, 3 overall winners, and then there's like best Nissan, best Toyota, best Mazda, best Nissan, what else did I get? Honda, Subaru, VIP. Insane prizes for everything.
And without being too specific on the places, tell them what the prizes are.
Oh God, a set of Nismo Club Sport Rays 57 CRs and good sizing, 19 or 18 by 9.5 plus 12 or 15, I can't remember 100%, pearl white. Only 1 of 100 sets made. We've got a bunch of Nitto goodies that we're giving away. We've got some pistons and rods and all kinds of stuff there. We've got Haltech IC7 Dash. We've got a bunch of Junction Produce and Kaizen VIP stuff. We've got a $500 gift card to Powder Coat, Fortune Auto 500 coilovers. There's a bunch of other stuff that I'm forgetting because there's so much stuff, but we're working on other things too. So that number is probably going to continue to grow because the event is continuing to grow. Registration $60 to enter your car. I mean, you're not going to win everything, but I mean, you could win best Nissan, best overall, and win a bunch of stuff. So definitely go ahead and register now, because if you register before February 21st, you're going to get the free event tee, which is pretty nuts, to be honest. If you were to buy this shirt for what it's going to cost us to print it, it'd probably be like $35. So, I mean, just count that into the value. Get your registration in. That helps us prepare a whole lot more. There's already a bunch of people registered, but the more early registrations we have, the better we can prepare and the better the event can be for you guys when you show up. Spectators, I know a lot of people have asked. We're still finalizing that as far as what that cost is going to be and how that's going to work. Logistically, we just have to work that out with VIR and SCCA and all that stuff. So stay with us. It's going to be as cheap as we can possibly make it. Let's put it that way. So it's not going to be much. And regardless of that, if there is a charge for spectators, you're going to pay that when you get to the event. So no need to buy tickets ahead of time. VIR is a huge place. There's plenty enough room for however many people show up. So we could have 100,000 people or 100 people show up. There's going to be way more than that. But, you know, you don't have to worry about space. I'm super excited for this event. I hope you guys are too. It's going to be absolutely freaking insane. I mean, just the prizes that we're giving away to winners far outshoots any other car show that you're going to go to. We have some amazing sponsors that are backing this event because they know us and they support us, and vice versa. They've wanted to support anything that we do, and this is one of the things that we're doing. So we're super grateful for all of our sponsors. They're the ones that are literally making this thing happen. And obviously we have a bunch of special guests. You guys know about that. So if you want to meet them or potentially get on one of their videos, you're going to want to come to this event. It's going to be a good time. There's tons of vendors, and we're adding more every day. We're going to be cutting that off soon. So if you're a vendor and you want to get into the show, definitely shoot us an email to drivermotorsports@gmail.com. We'll get you hooked up. But that's it. I got to go back to event planning because there's about a list taller than I am in 10-point font that needs to get done. So, okay, bye. Love you. Oh, also buy this car. It's really freaking nice. HK 6-speed dog box, T88 turbo, built motor, built head, freaking makes over 500 horsepower on 14 PSI. Like, that's nothing.
Okay, so that's going to be it for us today. So stay tuned. We got more Japan Auto Legends stuff coming up. Make sure you pre-register for the event. You get a free event t-shirt. The event is on March 11th at Virginia International Raceway, along with Japan Auto Legends. SCCA will be having their time trials. It's just going to be a good time. So can't wait to see y'all there. We'll catch you next time.